Hi, folks. Welcome to your week 4 La Semana. This is for the week of September 15th through September 21st. Can you believe we're in week 4 already? All right, so a few announcements. Number one, your weekly discussions have been super great. Make sure you answer the questions by that Sunday, and then make sure that you reply to other people by the following Wednesday. I usually go in like Monday or Tuesday, read through what we have. If you've already replied, I'll give you the full score. And if you haven't replied yet, I'll put the score without the reply, and I will come back later that week to redo your score. Okay, so don't get too nervous. Grades are not fixed. I just like to get in there, make sure I'm reading, seeing who's keeping up and who has what questions, okay? The second thing is I want to say I finally got a chance to look at all your percent videos. Thank you so much for making those. Some of you chose really cool examples and yeah, I know we might not love math, we might not even like math, but it's awesome to see how it plays out in your lives. All right, so a week 4 overview, excuse me. This is going to be the last week of our first unit. Okay, so we are finishing up our history of math unit. And here's what we got. So our week 4 assignments. First thing, if you have not replied to your week 3 discussion yet, please do that by Wednesday. Remember, I'll go in like Monday or Tuesday, do a preliminary grading, and then I'll go back later in the week to finish grading anything else that's been turned in. The second thing that you have this week is your Unit 1 project, okay? So there is a project for the end of each unit that we're going to do, and this one is called Interview with a Mathematician. So I've unlocked the page on Canvas, so please take a look at that. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to make sure those are all very clear for you, but take a read over that first and then let me know, okay? I'm really excited to see your Unit 1 projects. I hope it'll be a fun way to kind of tie together that math is not just for old, dead men. Okay, math is for all of us in so many different ways. And I hope that that's something that you get a chance to learn about this time. Your third experience, or your third assignment rather, is the portfolio reflection number 1. So in addition to having a project at the end of every unit, I also ask you to kind of reflect on how this class is going so far. I know for many of us, we don't really plan to use a ton of math in our life, but I know we're also kind of scared about being in a math class. So I just like to check in and see how things are going. That portfolio reflection, it's just a discussion between you, the student, and me, the instructor. So no one else is on that discussion board. Be honest, let me know how things are going, and I will reply, the week after I get all your assignments. So I think that is it. Last thing, if you feel like you need some support in this class, please hop on my Zoom office hours or send me an email and we can schedule a time. I don't want you to feel like you're totally alone in this class, but I do want you to feel like you're getting something out of this experience. Okay? So I'll see you back here for the week 5 La Semana in a week, and I look forward to seeing all of your lovely projects in the next week or two.